To understand the concept of Betterment account minimum, it is essential to first comprehend what Betterment is. Betterment is a financial services company that offers low-cost investment management services. The company provides investment advice and portfolio management to its clients, making it easier for individuals to achieve their financial goals. The first step in understanding Betterment account minimum is to know that there are different types of accounts offered by Betterment, each with its own set of features and requirements. Betterment offers two main types of accounts: the digital account and the premium account. The digital account has no minimum balance requirement, while the premium account requires a minimum balance of $100,000. The next step is to determine which type of account is suitable for your financial situation. If you are just starting out with investing, the digital account may be the better option for you. However, if you have a larger amount of money to invest and are looking for more personalized advice, the premium account may be the better choice. Another important concept to understand is the fees associated with each type of account. The digital account charges an annual fee of 0.25%, while the premium account charges an annual fee of 0.40%. It is essential to consider these fees when deciding which type of account to open. In addition to understanding the account types and fees, it is also crucial to know how to fund your account. You can fund your Betterment account via electronic funds transfer from your bank account. The transfer process typically takes a few days to complete. To get the most out of your Betterment account, it is recommended to set clear financial goals and develop a long-term investment strategy. This will help you to make informed decisions about your investments and ensure that your portfolio is aligned with your goals. In conclusion, understanding the Betterment account minimum requires knowledge of the different types of accounts offered by the company, the fees associated with each account, and how to fund your account. By following these steps and considering your individual financial situation, you can make an informed decision about which type of account is right for you and start achieving your financial goals.